Allie here from Alliesblog.ca. So today I have the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. This week the theme is Mani Swap. So basically we got given a name and then we have to recreate one of their manis. So the host this week was Dolphin Chick Nails, and the person I got is Nerdy Creations. So I am going to be creating one of her designs. So that was the picture at the very beginning of the video. So I'm just going to share with you what I'm using. So this is the cuticula. This is what I use as my base coat. So this is Pop Fizz Clink. And then I'm going to be using this Girly Bits polish, and this one is called Hot Dogs. This is from the Misheard Lyrics collection. I'm also going to use this one as well, and this one is called Kiss This Guy, and I'm going to be using this Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and this one is called Smoldering Teal. And then the top coat I'm going to be using is Nogberries from Cuticula as well. And I'm going to be stamping with this Born Pretty Store silver polish, and these are the plates I'm going to be using. So first off, I'm going to start by sponging on my gradient. So now we're going to get into the stamping portion. So I'm going to be using my 2 Queen Cosmetics stamping plates to do this design. So I'm going to be doing a little bit different than what Nerdy Creations did. I'm going to be using the silver polish. She used black and white, but I kind of thought I would try to change it up a little bit. So this is the final design. I really like how this one turned out. I really like the color combination. So thanks to Nerdy Creations for inspiring me. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.